In this video, I'm going to be walking you through how you could make your first $1,000 with affiliate marketing. I'm not only going to walk you through how to make this money, I'm also going to be showing you guys proof to tell you the person you're about to learn from is someone who practice what it teaches. So if I come over right here, you guys are going to notice that this is one of the payment from one of the affiliate marketing I'm currently promoting to tell you that you could actually make a lot of money from affiliate marketing if you're willing to follow the right procedure. So now that you guys have seen the proof yourself, it's now time for you guys to sit down right here and let me walk you through step by step how you could actually start earning some money with affiliate marketing for yourself. So the first thing you need to do right here, if you know you're going to be going into affiliate marketing, is you need to find a good affiliate program to promote. And there are various affiliate marketing program out there you could literally promote. So if you're going to be promoting an affiliate product, I'm going to advise you sit yourself down right here to try to figure out the kind of niche, the kind of products you want to promote. So for example, if you know you're going to be promoting the software niche, you could either promote the software niche, you could promote the making money online niche, whereby you're going to be promoting courses, ebook, and a lot of stuff related to the making money online niche. And also you could also promote the beauty niche, whereby you're going to be promoting different kind of cream. So you could sign up for a bunch of affiliate program like jumia.com, konga.com, where you could either get the links to all this cream that you're going to be promoting. And by the way, there are various affiliate program that you could literally promote related to the beauty niche. You could just go on Google right here, type in beauty affiliate program. So once you type in beauty affiliate program, it's going to load up a bunch of affiliate program that you could literally promote. So right here, just click on this article right here. So once you click on this article, you're going to be seeing a bunch of affiliate products that you could promote as an affiliate marketer. Just go through any of these affiliate products they are found right here on this website. Try to check out their payout method, and also you need to check out if the affiliate product has a cookie. So what a cookie means is, for example, maybe if someone clicks on your link and the person do not make a purchase instantly, so this there's a kind of cookie that's gonna be embedded into the link. So maybe after 3 days later or after a month later, the person later make a purchase right here, you are still gonna get paid from your affiliate link. So if I were you, and if I'm gonna be picking an affiliate product to promote, the best affiliate product that I'm gonna recommend for you is to actually promote a software that's going to be paying you recurring commission. And the reason I say that is because once you promote a software that's going to pay you recurring commission, you only need to put in the work once. So maybe, for example, you're able to get someone to sign up using your link. So once the person sign up using your link, the person is going to be paying for the software, and as long as the person keeps on paying for the software, you are going to be making money. This is what we call passive income. So I know in your mind that you guys might be wondering, okay, how can I get this kind of affiliate marketing that's going to be paying me recurring commission? So all you need to do is to just head over to Google. So once you head over to Google, you could just type in affiliate marketing program with recurring commission. So once you type in that, it's going to bring out a bunch of affiliate program that you could literally promote right here. So all you just need to do right here is to just go through any of this affiliate marketing program and check their commission. So let me just scroll down a little bit right here. Let me quickly show you guys something real quick. So you guys can see right here that this is one of an affiliate program, and you can see right here that this affiliate program is going to be paying you $1,500 per sales, while it's also going to be paying you 50% commission. So basically, if you're able to get a sale right here using your affiliate link right here, you're going to be getting $1,500 per sale, which is going to be passive. You could see that there's a lot of money to be made as an affiliate marketer. You could just read through this article and pick the best affiliate program you know you like to promote. So for me right here, for the purpose of this video, the affiliate marketing program that I'm going to be promoting right here in this video is actually systeme.io, because this was the affiliate marketing program that paid me the money I showed you guys earlier in this video. So basically all you need to do right here is just head over to systeme.io.com. So once you head over to systeme.io.com, just create a free account. And by the way, I'm going to be leaving the link to this website right here in the video description. Just make sure you click on the link in the video description. It's going to take you straight here. So basically, if you do not know what this software is, so this software is kind of an email marketing tool whereby you have the ability to send out a bunch of bulk emails. You have the ability to create landing pages and also do some cool stuff. So this software is only for marketers, agency, business owners that need to scale up their income, that need to make a lot of sales for themselves. So this software is the best for them. Yeah, let me quickly sign into my account right here to actually show you guys around the system. So once you're done signing into your account, this is how your account is going to look like basically. So you're going to be seeing your total clicks, the amount of sales you have made, and also of paid customers that actually sign up using your referral link. So the next thing you need to do right here is to create a landing page, because we're actually going to be promoting the software using a landing page. There are various ways you could use to promote your affiliate link. So the number one method that I'm going to be sharing with you is by actually writing a blog post. So basically, if you know you have a blog, you could actually write at least 2,000 to like 5,000 words right here about system.io. So you could either write a review about system.io, telling people how to use system.io, telling people about the pros and cons. So you could just write an article around system.io, try to rank your article on Google. So if you do not know how to rank an article, you could just go on YouTube right here to like check out a bunch of videos on how to rank an article. And by the way, if you know you want me to do a detailed video on that, you could just go down to the comment section and type in yes. So once I see a lot of people commenting on that right here, I'm gonna consider doing the video. And by the way guys, if you know you are enjoying the video so far and you haven't smashed that like button and also smash the subscribe button, what are you waiting for? Do that right now. And guys, thank you so much. So the second way you could use to promote your affiliate links right here is by actually creating content. So what I mean by that is, so if you know you have a YouTube channel right here, you could actually just create a video about system.io. You could like do a detailed or a full review video about system.io, literally walking people through how to use system.io, walking people through the pros and cons of system.io. So guys, let me quickly show you guys something real quick to tell you that what I'm showing you right here is something that a lot of people are doing and that also getting results for themselves. And also I've also done it for myself and I've gotten a lot of results from it. Over to YouTube right here and I type in system.io review. So you guys are gonna notice that a lot of videos are gonna pump up, and you guys could see right here that this guy right here called Wealth is also doing what I'm telling you guys to do. You could see right here he created a 12-minute long videos literally walking people through about system.io. Is giving an honest review. So if I scroll down again, you're gonna notice right here that this is another person doing the same thing. And also you can see right here, this is one of my video right here on the third page of YouTube. I'm literally ranking on YouTube right here for system.io review. So this is just to tell you that this is something I've done for myself and something that has worked for me. And by the way, I also have other channel right here where I literally promote my affiliate links right here on my channel. So you could either create multiple channel right here promoting your affiliate links, and also you could do this for any kind of affiliate product right here that you're going to be promoting. So create a video, pull your affiliate links in the video description and tell the viewer to go check out the link, and I could guarantee you that a lot of people are going to go there to go check out the link. So you guys can see right here that this guy has over 4,000 plus views right here from this video. So let's just kind of do the math right here. Out of these 4,200 people, let's just say the guy was able to like get a 1% conversion rate. So that means that maybe at least 1% of those people that watch its video actually purchase system.io. So 1% of 4,200 is actually going to be 42. System.io is actually going to be paying you 60% of whatever sales you make. So let's just go over to their pricing section right here. So if I go over to their pricing section right here, it's going to load up, and you guys could see right here that their pricing section is $27 right here. So let's just kind of do 60% of $27. So 60% of $27 is gonna be $16 right here. So let's just times that $16 times 42. So you can see right here you're actually going to be making $680 right here from just one video right here, to tell you how much you could actually earn from actually doing affiliate marketing if you understand the basic principle of ranking your videos. And by the way, you guys might be kind of thinking, okay, how can I rank my videos? Like I said, I've dropped a couple of videos right here literally walking you through how you could literally rank your video on YouTube. And go on YouTube right here to search in some videos that's going to be walking you through how you could literally rank your video. So you guys could see right here that you could actually make over $680 right here from system.io if you're able to just get at least 1% conversion rate from your videos. And by the way, let me know how much that is in your currency. Go to the comment section and drop how much that is in your currency. And also, if you know you have found the video awful, consider smashing the subscribe button, like this video. Don't forget to share this video to your friends and family. And by the way, if you also want to learn more ways about affiliate marketing, how you could literally promote your affiliate marketing links for free, you could just click this video pop right here on your screen right here, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.